Hi all of you, back with another video on Ansible, and today I will show you some more stuff on Ansible. So let me just load my key and let me show you. My server is not started, so let me start my server and nodes as well. So yeah, it's time to first load my key, which is now 12, and now it's time to copy my IP as well. There is your Liberty Walk GTR Toyota tires, as you can see here. So where is my IP address? There it is. So I will only log into my master node, which is my server. Okay, so my master is not ready yet. In this video I will show you that how to check OS of your nodes. So first let me copy my IP, SSH, auth, browse my key, which is Ubuntu 1, and only this, accept. Now this is my Ubuntu machine, so login as Ubuntu. Okay, now I am successfully logged in, and let me change my appearance. First 26 bold, and color should be, because it is my master, so I will always take this yellow color. I always take this. Okay, so let me do sudo su to be a root user. Now let me do control plus L. So let me first check that response from my nodes are coming or not. So where is my, yeah, my nodes are now running. Okay, so let me write Ansible, Ansible, and your, what is the command, what is the group name? Developers is my group name, -m for module. Now ping means to get response from my nodes. Okay, so let me check the nodes are, so you can see that the response is successfully getting. Now it's time to first let me do ls. So I forgot in my last video that when I was editing that video, so I saw that I haven't created a folder of playbook. Okay, so the best practice is to create a folder which name is playbook. In that you always write your YAML files. Okay, you have to write in that directory. So this is my directory now, playbook. So I will move my first .yaml into this playbook folder. Okay, so let me do this. If I do ls, so now you can see it's time to go in this playbook first, playbook. So now I'm in playbook. If I do ls, so there is your YAML. So the best practice is to write your YAML files in this directory, playbook directory. So let me first run by let me do first go, let me get outside of this directory, playbook. So now it's time to run my Ansible command, Ansible -playbook, to run my YAML file. Ansible playbook, what is my file name? First.yaml. First I have to write the whole first.yaml. I think this is enough. Error could not be found, but the playbook, let me do ls first, playbook is there. Ansible, let me see, I am forgetting some first YAML, not, this is not the command. Developer ping, yeah, rm-rf, where is that command? Let me search it. So I think this is my command, Ansible playbook -playbook first.yaml. So let me see why it is throwing an error. Let me go back to my playbook directory. Okay, and see ls first.yaml. Yeah, it is there. Let me do cat first.yaml. Everything is all right. Okay, so why it is not running? Let me do it again. Ansible, I think I should run here from here. Let me write command here, Ansible. Let me choose here. So yeah, this is my command, Ansible playbook first YAML. So now you can see it is executing in the playbook. So now you can see that now what is the problem here. Now you see that my response is coming from this node, and this node is as well. Okay, install docker, let me show you. Install docker means okay, which means docker is installed in both nodes, in my group, developer group, and httpd is also installed. But what is this error? uh 172 failed change false message. I don't know what is this. This is showing. So first there is gathering facts test playbook, which is name of my this. You can see test playbook is my name, okay, of my playbook. So I don't know why. What is this error? Okay is 3 and failed is 1. I don't know what is failed. I think httpd is failed. Okay, so let me just control plus L, let me do this. So in this video I just want to show you that how you can check that your nodes are belong to the Debian family or Red Hat family, because you all know that if I that this is my Ubuntu machine. Okay, this is my Ubuntu machine, it means it belongs to Debian family. Okay, so which means what that means, that if I want to install software or if I want to update something, and if I want to do any, if I want to download anything, okay, any software, so I want to do like get apt get update. Okay, I want to do this in this machine because it belongs to Debian family. So now you can see that it is updating, but I want to show you that my nodes are belong to Red Hat family. How you can check it? So first let me show you. Let me just log into my machine. Let me first copy my node 1 IP address, IPv4 public IP. Okay, now I want to copy here and SSH auth. Let me first open my key as well. Let me open my key as well, which is my, let me load my key, which is your glossary. This is your Red Hat family machine, and now here I'll open my key. So it's time to open, and yeah, this is my node 1. So here I'll log in as ec2-user. Now it's time to do sudo su. Okay, so let me do font big. Let me change the setting. Appearance should be like 26 is enough, and bold. Also modify green. Green is good. So yeah, so this is enough. And if I, so this machine belongs to my Red Hat family. Okay, if I want to like update this machine, how I can update yum. So there is change. So you can see here is your yum, and in this machine which is belong to my Debian family, so there is your apt get, your package manager is your apt get, and here is your yum. Okay, so there is the difference. So yum update, if I want to update this machine, so you have to do like yum update -y as well. -y is for doing yes. So you can see it is not updating, only one stuff is updated, I think 3.7k. So I just want to show that there are different package managers in both machines. So let me give you a task. Okay, like let me first clear the screen. Yeah, so let me show you that let me give you a task like if you are in a company and there are thousands of nodes. Okay, and you don't know that that you just copied the IP address to the inventory file, your host file of Ansible. Okay, let me show you first. Some of you don't aware of what is inventory files. So cat, not cat, vi etc, okay, and dot ssh dot, not dot ssh, Ansible host. Okay, so this is your inventory file where you copy or where you make your group and copy the private IP of nodes. So let's suppose you are in a company and you don't know, you have just the IP address of all that nodes, all that machines. So you copy here, but you don't know that they belongs to Debian family or they belongs to Red Hat family. How can you check that? So there is a, let me first get out of this -wq. Okay, so how can you check that that your machines are belong to Debian family or Red Hat family, because both have different package managers. Okay, so there is a command known as Ansible, Ansible, and now developers. Okay, developers. Okay, developers, I have to write. So now -m for module. Now setup. If you do this, yeah, Ansible, yeah, all of this stuff is good. So if you do this, the information about your mod, you can see that all the information about your setup is there. Okay, so as you all know that the grep command is used to search anything in Linux. Okay, so as I already made a video on grep command, you can check it out in my Linux playlist. Okay, so now you can do like -m. So let me first go little bit down. I think I'm down. So if you want to check something, so how can you do that? Ansible developer -m. Now give a pipe. Now again, like, write grep, and here you can write like Ansible OS and family. What that command means: grep is used to search, pipe is used to when this command run, as you all know, when this command run. So just search this. Okay, just search this stuff in this command. So what will be the result out of this command? Just search this. Okay, this means search in Linux. Okay, so just search this thing from this one. Okay, what will be the output of this command? So Ansible OS family, which means all of this stuff is good. So Ansible OS family means just search the OS. What is the OS of which group? This developer group. Okay, so now if I run this, so now as you can see, guys, that Ansible OS family of my node 1, which is this, is belong to Red Hat family, and my node 2, which is this, belongs to my also Red Hat family. Okay, so there is, so you can do like this also. Okay, if there, so you can check it out that what is your OS of your nodes. Okay, what are your OS of your nodes? Okay, and now it's time to check that why do we need to check the OS. Okay, so what is the need? So let me go to playbook. Okay, playbook. So if I do cat first, so as you can see that name install docker, which is fine, yum this and yum this, because I already know that my nodes are belongs to this Red Hat family, so I have written here yum. But if there were belongs to that Debian family, so I have to write here apt. Okay, so but I am giving you another scenario that you have your thousands of nodes in a group or in multiple groups, and you have to update a software or install a software, but there are mixed nodes, which means that some of R belongs to Debian family and some of R belongs to Red Hat family. So how you can write a script for that? So let me show you how you can write a script for that. Let me do vi first YAML. Okay, so now you can just first click I to insert. So now you can do one thing, like you can see yum is for Red Hat family, so you can write like this. Let me show you. You can write like this, when, okay, Ansible. Okay, let me write here like this: OS family is equal to this. What is that? Red hat. Okay, like this. Yeah. So install docker, and I can write like this as well. Let me remove this, all the stuff. Okay, install docker. If you want to install only docker, okay, you can write both. You can write twice. Okay, you can write twice. By if I write here like so, now this one, why I'm writing twice. So this is for my yum and this is for my apt, which means this is for my Red Hat one, this is for my Debian one. Okay, apt. Now again I have to go here, name. Let me go here. Yeah, name. Okay, name is docker, and state is your present. State should be present. Now again I'll write here like when Ansible OS family is equal to Debian. Okay, so this script should be run, which means when you have 1,000 nodes, let's suppose you are working in a company and you have got the IP address of 1,000 nodes. Okay, but you don't know that who, like, which nodes belong to, like, which IP address belong to Red Hat family, and which IP belongs to Debian family. So now you can write a now there is a task for you that you have to install a docker. So you can write like this. Okay, where you write yum, and when the OS family is equal to Red Hat, so install docker on that, because this condition will be false on that machine which belongs to Debian family. Okay, sorry, this condition would be false when it comes to Debian family, because there is package manager yum, and in Debian family there is your apt. Okay, so this will false, this will not work for that, and similar as that. Okay, this will not work for Red Hat family. Okay, so yeah, let me just save it by escaping, or there is some need. So let me just press escape to remove this insert, and now colon wq, which means save and quit. So now if I run my script, where is my developer? No, this is not my script. apt get update, no. Yeah, this is my Ansible playbook first.yaml. So now test playbook is running. Okay, so now you can see that that error was coming from that httpd. I think only that software was creating mess. So now you can see that first let me tell you in step by step. So now first what happened. So from here is my command. So first what happened, that test playbook is started executing. Okay, that my name of that playbook is test playbook, and after that gathering facts, which means I don't know, but it is kind of that it is gathering all the information of about that script, that what is need to be installed, and on which node should be installed what. Okay, and now in which group also. Okay, so my group is your developers. So now you can see here that my first node is this, which is okay. So report is okay, and your second node is also reported okay. They are reachable. This means that they are reachable. Okay, now let me go further down. Why it is going up? So now let me go further. So install docker is skipped. Why skipped? Because the docker is also already installed in both of the nodes. As you all know, who folks watched my previous video, they know that I've installed my docker. Okay, so task, so you can see the both tasks are skipped. Okay, in both nodes. So installation of docker is skipped, and now okay is one. Okay, so what is this okay? So first tell me. So you can see that rescued 0, changed 0, unreachable 0, and failed is also 0. Okay, and this ignored is also 0. So what is this? Okay, so skipped 2 and okay 1. So as you all know, skipped 2, task 2 in both machines. Okay, so task 2 is skipped, and because the docker is already installed, and this is my nodes, both nodes. So what is this okay? So okay is your, which means let me, so first before executing the scripts, Ansible always ping your nodes. So Ansible just knocks the doors of your nodes, that are you reachable? I am updating a software, are you reachable? So Ansible asks like that to your nodes, and this is what okay. Okay, and this is what is your, this Ansible is showing okay. And yeah, that's about it. I think now you all familiar with Ansible now, and I will be showing you some more scripts and playbooks, how to write a playbook in different scenarios, and how you can change at the moment if the task is given to you. Okay, and yeah, that is about the Ansible, and that is also about your YAML, and this is also about your, and this let me show you one thing, that cat first. So this script, or you can see that this playbook is known as your uh, what conditional playbook. Okay, this is your conditional playbook, which means there is a condition in your playbook. So this is your condition. Ansible OS family is equal to Red Hat, because you don't know your nodes are belong to Red Hat or Debian. So that's why this is your uh, conditional playbook. Okay, and yeah, that's about it. That's about for today, and I will be meet you in my next video.